Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to withdraw on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you're going to see two options, T coin and T points. So click on T points. Clicking on T points, you're going to see two options, exchange and cash out. So you just have to click on the cash out option. So you're going to see equivalent of your T points. If you have 100,000 T points, it is equivalent to $10. If you have 200,000 T points, it is equivalent to $20. If you have 500,000 T points, it is equivalent to $50. If you have 1 million T points, it is equivalent to $100, and so on. So you just have to click on the withdraw option in order to select the currency type. So you just have to select the type of currency you want to work with or withdraw with. Then selecting, let me see, I select the first option here. I just have to select the payment method, then type in copy my address from any exchange and paste it. Confirm it by repasting the address again here, and the option for withdrawal will pop out. I'll just click on it and it's going to automatically be withdrawn to that exchange. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to withdraw from your Lollipop Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.